deserving of the PATINS Starfish Award because she's just extra all the time. She is somebody who goes above and beyond, not just for the kids she serves, but for all kids. She helps lead the assistive technology team here and has some real knowledge about assistive technology even outside of the scope of her own job to assist everyone else.
Willow, the student that we are interviewing, she came in first grade. We did not have Braille writing on all the classroom doors, and Julene made sure that each classroom door, each hallway was labeled with the Braille label so that students who needed that could find their way throughout the school.
She's very dedicated. She goes above and beyond. She does a lot with the kids outside of school. She has an annual family picnic that she does for all of the blind and low vision families in the area, not just for Elkhart Community Schools kids. She invites students from South Bend, from Goshen, and it's a really great chance to build that community for blind students.
Miss Julene is really great. One time I actually called her my mom. She's always saying I can do it, even when I don't think I can. She's really funny, and we get along really well.
So I appreciate everything that we have in Indiana as far as having the PATINS group to fall back on. And when PATINS restructured and added the specialists, I think that's been one of the most dynamic things that has happened for our state. Because now if we have a problem with augmentative communication or kids with autism or blind and low vision, we know who to contact that's really focused in on that specialty, and I think that really helps.
Julene, on behalf of the district, thank you so much for all that you do, and it is a blessing to have you here in the district working with the students the way you do.
I'm really overwhelmed and excited to receive this award, and I appreciate the nomination, and I hope I live up to it every day.
Congratulations to our PATINS Starfish Award winner. If you know of an Indiana educator who goes above and beyond to meet the needs of all their students through universal design for learning and the implementation of accessible educational materials and assistive technology, nominate them today. Find the nomination form and more information about our no-cost services at www.patinsproject.org. That's spelled PATINS project.org.